this lesson will only focus on the verb être. Okay? So it will be a short one, but still quite important. Je serai. Tu serais. Il serait. Elle serait. Nous serions. Vous seriez. Il serait. Elle serait. Alright, so remember, conditionnel présent. So if you want to translate directly this je serais, it's I would be. Okay, but in French we've got only one form like that. Remember, so AIS, but then you don't pronounce the final S. Je serai. Same rule here, no pronunciation of the final S. Tu serais. Phonetically, it is the same. And then the good news here, it will be exactly the same. So final T is not pronounced. So phonetically, you've got the same form as we had previously. Il serait, elle serait. Okay, so one more time. Je serais, tu serais, il serait, elle serait. Alright? So then, final S not pronounced, and then this is this yon, yon. Remember, it goes in your nose, it's nasal. Yon. Nous serions. Okay, then vous seriez. And last but not least, and remember, it's quite strange, but A-I-E-N-T, many letters, only one simple sound, E, as we had here, here, and here. It's exactly the same sound. Il serait, elle serait. Alright? Je serais, tu serais, il serait, elle serait, nous serions, vous seriez, il serait, elle serait.